Got a brand new little sink disposer here. Gonna be installing it, replacing this one because it blew out. Got a little dishwasher drain plug here. Go ahead and stick a screwdriver in there and knock it out with a hammer. Sitting on its side, and then you can grab the little plug out. Just comes right out. Went ahead and pop the dishwasher hose off. Next, I'm gonna be loosening the main drain here. Spin this counterclockwise. Of course, I got a bucket ready. Unscrew that. Yep. See, I might just do this one too, just to get it out the way. Counterclockwise. Yeah. See if we can get this pipe out the way. Middle pipe's out the way. Now we can get all this stuff easier. There we go. And what you want to do, it has little spots here. As you can see, you can fit the wrench right in there and spin the thing here, and it's gonna fall. So just be sure it's not connected electrically. Mine's unplugged, don't gotta worry about it. Yeah, and it'll fall down, so just be ready to catch it. I'm sticking mine right here and then pushing away from me and catching with my other hand. So it came off pretty easy there. Yeah, mine was broken. I got a shot glass in there on accident, a little baby one, destroyed it. So yeah, now that this is off, you can change this if you want. What if yours is the same attachment? You don't really have to. Yeah, realistically, I don't need to change this one out. So I'm just gonna leave it. Probably clean it up a little bit. But if you did, different size, you would just unscrew these and remove everything, and then you usually got plumber's putty in there. You're gonna scrape off and put some back on yourself. And it's just better if you just keep the old one. If it's still good condition, that is, and mine's not bad, so. But here's a little diagram of how that goes. If you take it apart. And as you can see, old one has a gasket, just like the new one should. I'm gonna hop that up, get your gasket on, inspect it. Yeah, it looks good. Put it on in. Get your new pipe ready. Oh yeah, got the gasket in there. Go ahead and set it how you want it. Put it on in, tighten it down, right over the gasket. There we go, it's on there. It doesn't have to be ridiculously tight. Yeah, let's get it nice and snug. Make sure it's gonna be sealed. All right, I'm gonna place the new one back in. Basically do it exactly how you took the old one out. You're gonna place it in, and you're gonna spin this whole thing. Make sure this is intact. All that. And so I need 2 hands for this, so I'm gonna place it back up in. All right, it's all tightened up. It's good, as you can tell. Yep. Got the pipe in the right orientation here. I'm gonna slide this one back on. All right. Place that back for it. And this one's gonna slide in there. And we're gonna get this one in. And of course, before you fully tighten these, make sure that the gaskets on them set correctly. You don't want to pinch those and get a leak. As you can see, it's setting pretty well in here. I'm gonna tighten it down and plug it in. All right, it's pretty tight down. I got the convenience of a nice little plug right here, so we'll give it a shot. Oh, the brilliance. Put this back on. If you got a dishwasher. Of course, if you did, then you would have punched out the punch hole, so All right, that's tightened down. Don't over tighten it. It is a plastic tube. You know, it's pretty hard, but I never like tightening too hard on plastic shit. You might crack shit. All right, now we plug it in. The final test. Checking for leaks first. Let it run. Good flow. We got no leaks coming out. We like that. We like that. Oh yeah. Of course, check again once you run that dishwasher to make sure. Yeah, looking good. Go ahead and flip this switch, see if it runs. Oh yeah. Almost too much power. There you go. Hopefully that helped you out.